Do you want smoother strumming and better timing on guitar? In this 5-minute strumming workout, we'll start slow, build up gradually, and help your strumming feel more relaxed, controlled, and in time. Grab your guitar and play along with me. All of the patterns we're going to look at are based on eighth notes. That means we're going to count 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. We'll start slowly using muted strings. This helps you focus on rhythm without worrying about playing chords. Lightly rest your left hand on the strings to get that muted sound. And follow along with me using your guitar. Try to stay relaxed and focus on timing, not perfection. So we're going to strum down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, we're going to do this at 70 BPM now. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and down, up, down, down, up, down. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Now let's try a slightly different rhythm. This will make things more musical. We're going to count it like this: 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and. So now you skip the and, the up strum after 1, then continue as normal. Your hand is still moving continuously. It's still playing down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, non-stop. You're just choosing when to hit the strings. If we slow this down, you can see we are still strumming the up strum on the and of 1. We're simply choosing not to hit the strings. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, miss, down, up, down, up, down, up. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and down, down, up, down, up, down, up. 1, miss, 2 and 3 and 4 and with a metronome. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and down, miss, down, up, down, up, down, up. Now let's add a chord. We're going to use E minor because it's easy to play and you can strum all of the strings without worrying about which ones you're hitting. Our focus is to keep the same rhythm throughout, stay loose and natural, don't tense up, and let the chord ring clearly. Here we are with pattern 1, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 2, 3, and 4. Down, 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 up, down. Okay, now with pattern 2, down, down, down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, 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 down. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Down, 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 down. 1. If your strumming falls apart, simplify and reset. Swap to strumming only on the beat to regain the tempo and get back in time. Then add the rhythm again when you're comfortable. Now we'll increase the tempo a little further. We'll use the same pattern, just a little bit faster. Again, try to stay loose and natural, don't rush, and let your right hand do the work. Here we are with pattern 1, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, all 8 notes, down, up, down, up, down, up, at 105 BPM. 1, 2, 3, 4. And with pattern 2, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. 1, 2, 3, 4, down, 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 1, 2, 1, 3, and 4, 1, 2, 1, 3, and 4, and the final exercise is about pushing your control. Same rules as before, loose wrist, consistent strumming motion, and don't force it. Here we go with pattern 1 at 130 BPM. 1, 2, 3, 4. And pattern 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. If this felt challenging or simply too difficult, go back to a slower tempo and repeat that section. Build up gradually with a metronome or drum backing track. If you're feeling comfortable with everything we've looked at, try this more challenging pattern. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Down, down, up, up, down, 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 up, down. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down. Here we we are skipping the up strum on the one hand and then also skipping the down strum on 3. This is an incredibly common strumming pattern. If you've been struggling with the other two patterns, then stick with those two for now. Practice plan. Use this as a daily workout to improve your strumming. Pick a pattern to work on, either pattern 1, 2 or pattern 3 if you're nailing it. Start slowly and with muted strings. Add a chord, something simple like E minor is great. Increase the tempo gradually with a metronome or drum backing track and try to stay relaxed throughout. 5 minutes a day is enough to improve quickly. Good strumming isn't about complexity, it's about consistency, timing and relaxation.